Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Bell Health Channel. Today we're going to be talking about Glycine from Thorne. This is a supplement I use every night before I go to bed, and I've gotten great results with it. But before we begin, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Alright, now every supplement we review on this channel can be purchased through our full script store for a discount not found anywhere else online. It is better than Amazon, better than anywhere else you search. You just need to go to drbellhealth.com and it will forward you to the store. Your favorite brands such as Standard Process, Thorne, Metagenics, Pure Biotics Research, and Microbiome Labs. Free shipping, free returns, and if you already have a full script account, shoot us an email at care@bellfamilychiro.com and we'll add you to our store. Now let's talk a little bit more about glycine. Glycine is a key amino acid that plays a vital role in our central nervous system. It's known for being an inhibitory neurotransmitter, especially in our brainstem and spinal cord. So studies have shown that glycine can improve memory retrieval, especially in those with sleep depriving conditions like jet lag or overwork, or if you're like me, you just don't sleep well. But its benefits don't stop there. Glycine is crucial in phase 2 liver detoxification, either by directly eliminating toxins or boosting glutathione levels, so it helps when you drink alcohol. It also helps modulate cytokines, which are involved in obesity. Besides these, glycine is one of 3 amino acids needed to produce creatine, which energizes muscles and nerve cells. It also does a lot in your brain. And I just did a video on this specifically for creatine by Thorne and all of its benefits. All right, now let me just go over 9 health benefits from just daily use of glycine. It builds muscle. Glycine is essential for creating creatine, driving energy to your muscles and aiding in muscle strength and size. It repairs your joints. As the main component of collagen, glycine is necessary for healthy joints, tendons, and ligaments. It reduces inflammation. Glycine is a precursor to glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, which helps lower inflammation and protects against oxidative stress. It protects the liver from alcohol damage. Animal studies have shown that glycine can reduce blood alcohol concentration and minimize liver damage. It protects your heart health. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, glycine can lower heart disease risk. It helps improve metabolic disorders. Glycine aids in treating diabetes by lowering glycated hemoglobin and improving insulin sufficiency. It improves your digestive system. I know there's a lot that it does. Glycine in bone broth can speed up the healing of ulcers and regulate stomach acidity. You can also get it in the pill, which we have here. It improves sleep quality. Glycine activates the NMDA receptor in the brain, which helps to calm the brain and improve sleep. That's one of the big reasons why I use it. It builds immunity. Glycine boosts glutathione synthesis, protecting your body against oxidative stress and bolstering the immune system. So if you're looking to harness all these benefits, which there are a lot, you can get Thorne Glycine at drbellhealth.com for a great discount and on many other products. Thank you again for watching, and remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it informative. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.